Hi everybody, welcome back from Thanksgiving break. Just wanted to go over the activities for this upcoming week. So first and foremost, make sure that before class you're checking inbox for any messages and also checking announcements. So if we go to announcements, we are now on week number 5, quarter 2. So if you click on the announcements here, we have 5 activities this week. And for the weekly PFT test, you guys are going to have your trunk lift test, and I'll explain a little bit more about that in a minute. Your quiz is 5 ways to lose weight after the holidays. You have a fitness log, and those two are due on Monday/Tuesday. And then you have a mile run and a research project number 4, which I'll talk about, and those are due on Wednesday/Thursday. And then as always, if you have any questions, please make sure you send me an email through Canvas. Okay, I'm always available to Zoom. Just send me a message and then I'll send you a Zoom link. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the assignments. If we go to modules, and as you'll notice, the module is locked. So you notice that you can't click on any of these other files. So you have to make sure that you're watching this instructional video. Once you watch the video, it opens up the rest of the files. Okay, so the first activity, so once we click on the video and you've watched it, you'll click next. And the first thing is the PFT trunk lift instructional video. So make sure that you watch the entire video so you see how to do the trunk lift correctly. And then when you click next, you're just going to report your trunk lift score. So here are the instructions. So you're going to watch the trunk lift video, perform the trunk lift test, and write down your score. There's no need to record anything. Just submit your score by clicking the blue button, and then you can enter your score. And the score must be between 0 and 12. So if you click here, take the quiz. Once you click that, you're just going to go ahead and enter in your score. And it tells you right here, you only have 30 minutes to submit this, which shouldn't take that long because all you're doing is submitting a number between 0 and 12. Some of the majority of the students usually pass with over 12. So there is a limit. So if you did above 12, like you cleared the ruler on the test, then just go ahead and put 12 and then hit submit. And then you're good to go for that one. So that's the only assignment that for the PFT trunk lifts, that's all you have to do for that one. And that's due by Friday. You can do it sooner if you want. And then your 2 assignments for Monday/Tuesday are going to be, you're going to read the 5 ways to lose weight after the holidays. So for some of you that might have eaten a little bit too much this last week, it's a good article to read to help you get on track to getting back in shape and getting healthy. So make sure you're reading the entire article. Once you've read the entire article, you're going to go back to modules, or you can click next, either one, and you're going to take your quiz. Okay, once again, you have 10 questions and you have 30 minutes to complete the quiz. They're all multiple choice or true false. So just make sure you're reading the quiz, do the reading and then take the quiz. Once you click this take the quiz button, you have 30 minutes to complete that. And that is your quiz for Monday/Tuesday. And then the next assignment is your fitness logbook. So it's let me go back. You can do any workout you want today. If you are training with a sports team, be sure to make sure that you are specific about what you did on as far as your activities go. With sports teams, or with your practice team, don't just say, I went to practice, it was 2 hours long. I want to know exactly what you did. So that way, if I wanted to duplicate it, I could do that. Also, if you're not sure what to do, if you don't have any ideas for workouts, you can always use the CrossFit module to get ideas. Just a reminder, the workout needs to be 30 minutes in duration. Make sure that you are writing all of these things down in order to get your points. So you get 1 point for writing the date, 5 points on writing exactly what you did, how long it took you, and the exercise intensity. Okay, and if you want to use the CrossFit module, you just click on modules, and you can scroll all the way down. It should be at the very, very bottom under CrossFit WODs, and you can find a workout there. You can click on any of them. If the workout's only like 5 minutes, then pick on another one, or you can keep repeating it. But they're right here at the very bottom, CrossFit WODs. So you can pick any of these workouts to do, or multiple ones, and you can use that. Just make sure that you're doing 30 minutes worth of workouts. If you click on the actual workout, for example, BW6, just write down like exactly what you did. Tell me what you did in the fitness log. So if I go back to fitness log, right here, if I go back to the fitness logbook, make sure that you click submit assignment, and you could do, you can upload it a bunch of different ways. You can either choose file, click on text entry, fill it out right here, type it in. You can, if you're using a Google Drive, you can put your the URL here, or if you've saved it on your Google Drive, you can just insert it straight from here. So you have all those different ways to insert your file to me or to submit your assignment. Once you've submitted your file, you're just going to click submit, and then you'll be good to go. So I'll have to enter something. So if I just said whatever I typed in, I'm just going to pretend like this was a longer activity. So if I just said workout and then I hit submit, it'll show that I submitted an assignment. Okay, so you know that you submitted it. If you see this resubmit button, that means you turned something in. Okay, so obviously if I just fill out workout and don't do anything else, you're not going to get full credit. Make sure that you're specific about what you did. Okay, so let's go to the next activity. So the next one is going to be your activities for Wednesday/Thursday. So once again, you have your cardiovascular day or Metaconda day. So you're going to run either indoors, outdoors, or you can do your Metaconda video. Make sure that you are reading through the information clearly. You upload a photo of your workout or your run, including the running map. A lot of you guys are missing your running map, so you're losing points. So make sure you include that. And then if you do the indoor workout, your word of the day or word of the week is going to be holiday. So make sure you include that in the post-it. And then here are your Metaconda instructions. They're pretty straightforward. In order to submit that, you just click submit assignment, and then same thing as the other assignment, you can choose file upload where you choose a file, text entry, website URL. If you want to record straight through the Canvas, you just click record media and it'll start recording, or Google Drive. So those are your options for submitting the mile run to me or the Metaconda to me. And then last but not least, you have your exercise research project number 4. And then once again, you're gonna research another diet topic. So you guys already researched one a few weeks ago. So now you're gonna choose another one from this list. And if there's one on the list that it's not there and you want to research it, just send me an email. More than likely, I'll approve it. But I just want you guys, researching a different diet topic, so you can see how other people, their eating habits, their ways of life, so you can kind of like just researching that, studying other things. And then once you research that, you're going to write 2 paragraphs regarding this. Make sure that you're hitting upon these topics. And I can't emphasize enough, do not just copy and paste. Please put this information in your own words. If you're going to copy and paste, when you do turn it in, it does show me what you've copied and pasted. And if the rate is too high, I will not grade it. You'll just get a 0. And then in order to submit this assignment, you're just going to click Load Exercise Research Project number 4 in a new window, and then you'll upload the file. Okay? And those are your activities for this week. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to send me an email. If you need to Zoom with me, I'd be happy to meet with you. Just send me an email and I can send you a Zoom link. Other than that, you guys have a great week. Thank you.